So I have been out looking at the world. Everything look the same, but whoa, they are different. I'm in Wolfsburg and people are speaking German here. Huh? And myself, I can't remember any Dutch. I don't speak Dutch anymore. This is so weird. I have checked out. I can see that somebody has been watching that video there. And guess the world have changed a little bit for that, because now I remember I'm not this person which I see in this reflection of the camera. I'm a different person. So my theory is that I have made a jump from another world into what is this world, but is so much similar it. And guess my name now is Roland. When I was waking up, it felt very natural to be that, and also recognize the body. But this is not me, and I'm getting old, you know. I'm wearing glasses and so on. It's very weird. But I guess I have to live with it. So I've looked up. I can see I live in a city called Vedbæk, where the world I come from is a very fancy place and so on. So I'm kind of excited to see my new home and so on. Of course, it's a little bit bummer to get 20 years older, but then again, I was facing almost a life sentence in prison and so on in my old world. So I guess it's okay now. You have to play with the cards you have here. So right now I will throw out all these crazy signs and so on he has made and so on. And I can see he has tried to be a YouTuber, but he has so much material and all kind of stuff. But he hasn't made any movies of it. So maybe I can do that. Let's find out what this world is about. And when I will do that, when I'm doing these YouTube videos and so on, I will explain who I am and so on. And in the real world, I will just pretend I'm this Roland dude. And the funny part is I can kind of have his memories, but I also have like other memories, other Rolands from other worlds and so on. But a little bit nice to be back in some more sensible world. I have this connection to another worlds where they're talking about all this renewable energy and so on. I can see that we are back to our old world that makes more sense, where only way to fight climate change is burning more fossil fuel. I see that this old Roland guy, he has other opinions about that. I got a lot of material. Wow. All kind of data and so on. So I must look that through. Maybe there's gold in there. Maybe there's gold. Always looking for good opportunity. That was always my oldest motto and so on. So right now I will see. I can actually. That's funny. Also, I have this bus ticket. I can see that can go all around Germany for. It's called Deutschland ticket. Ticket. I don't know how to pronounce it. But I will check that. I think I will try to explore the way home to that Vedbæk there, and see what happens there. Okay, I will hold you posted.